Hi. Hi, Dylan. Hi, Betty. Can you say hi, Betty? This is the first day of Dylan and Betty hanging out together. Uh-oh. There goes Betty. Hi, Betty. Bye-bye, guys. There they go. Bump. Hi, Dylan. Hi, Betty. You playing hide and seek? Hello. Oh, where'd you go? Hi. Hi. Where's Betty? There she is. Dylan. Where's Dylan? Hi, Dylan. Hi.